This video will give you an insight into how Ilfracombe Academy are safely and effectively rolling out the rapid testing for COVID-19 across our learning community. Before any testing takes place, parents will need to provide consent in order for their child to take a lateral flow test. The link can be seen in this video. The testing will be a phased rollout across each year group. Communication will go out prior to anybody being tested. This will be a timetabled slot allocated to each student, who would then go up to the testing centre, which is up in DT3. These slots are staggered and students safely spaced on arrival. Individuals will be called up to the registration desk. They will then be given a barcode to take into the testing area, which they will need to hand over in order to be given their test. Students will be then directed to a testing booth. Once seated, they hand the barcode to the processor sat opposite. Students will then be told to carefully read through the step-by-step guide for self-swabbing. Step-by-step guide for self-swab tests. 1. Sanitize hands. 2. Locate tonsils or tonsil using a mirror. 3. Blow nose into tissue. Put the used tissue in the healthcare waste bin. 4. Sanitize hands. 5. Check swab packet is sealed. 6. Remove swab holding the handle. 7. Open mouth and rub the swab on each tonsil or tonsil area at least 3 times. 8. Insert swab into nostril until there is slight resistance and rotate 5 times. The processor will then take the sample and administrate the test utilising the lateral flow device. Individuals then clean their area using the materials provided. They then leave the room through the nearest exit point directed by the members of staff. In terms of getting your results, you will only be contacted if your test is positive or void. If it is void, you will need to redo the test. In line with DofE guidance, if your test is positive, individuals will be collected from their classroom and isolated in a safe space. Home will then be informed to come and collect them. Students will be sent home with a PCR test to administer and then send off. This is to be completed in order to confirm the positive result. We understand that students might be anxious about taking their test. Staff will be on hand to support them throughout the process. Ultimately, the rapid flow testing is about keeping our community safe, and through the testing process, we'll be in a much better position to keep everybody safe now and in the future. We look forward to your safe return.